Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to turn on UBox app camera two-way intercom. To do this, you open your UBox app and scroll to the camera you want to monitor. So here is a live view of this camera. To turn on two-way intercom, you first of all unmute this speaker here to hear the sound in the background where this camera is being installed. If you tap here, you unmute the background. Now to speak so that the person in that compound listening to you, you click here. You people can talk to each other. So this is how to turn it on. You first of all unmute this speaker and click on this microphone to speak. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please, if you find this video helpful, like, share and subscribe.